guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to make some honey cornbread. Normally, being a Southern, we don't usually put sweet sugar in our cornbread, but I like the honey in it, and it just really gives it a good flavor, and Tony likes it too. But before I go down to all this, let me tell you what you're going to do. I've got my cast iron skillet, and I'm taking 4 tablespoons of butter. Hopefully, after that it breaks all over the place. Hopefully I can get all this paper off. We won't be eating paper in our cornbread. Now, I'm going to drop that in there, and just stay right here, and I'll be right back. I'm going to take this over to the oven. I'm going to turn it on to 400 and preheat it. Whenever it's done preheating, I will bring this right back out. I'm back. My cornmeal, I got from the same place that I get my grits from, Baskin Milling Company. And there's nothing, it's all stone ground. Really good. So to start it off with, I am going to try and get this open. Okay, be right back. Don't go nowhere. I need a knife. And I got a little canister over there I'll put this in. Or a baggie. I'm going to need a cup of this. I need a cup of self-rising flour. Yeah. You buy cornmeal mix, you just need to use 2 cups of the cornmeal mix. You don't need to add anything else, you know, the flour and the cornmeal, because that's all together. A little bit of salt. Mix this up. Alright. Need a cup of buttermilk. I might end up using more, but whenever you do your buttermilk, make sure you shake it really well because it gets all the solids mixed together. I'm going to drop an egg in here too. Mix this up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of honey, more or less. I had it. Now, because buttermilk is thicker, I may end up having to use more than a cup, but this is a good start. You want it basically the consistency of pancake mix. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more. Mix this up well. Alright, I'm going to get off here and go get my pan that's heated up with the butter, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just got this out in the oven. The purpose of doing this is to have the butter hot in the bottom. Bacon grease is also good, but I didn't have any. I feel like cooking bacon just for bacon grease right now. So, it'll make a really good crust. And see the butter comes up over the top of it. Alright, I'm going to stick this back in the oven for about 25 minutes and we'll bring you back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got this out of the oven. I did turn the broiler on, but look at the sides, how crispy that is. And I stuck a knife in it and it came out clean, so it's good and done. So I'm going to let this cool for just a minute and we'll bring you back and slice it up. Guys, I just sliced this up. Look at the bottom. I can't wait to eat this. So that was our cornbread, our southern honey cornbread. I want to thank you for watching. I'd like for y'all to subscribe. Would love to have you in the family. Hit that like button. And give me a comment. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to share it out on your social media. Y'all have a good one. Bye.